This is everything you need to know about designing a low-maintenance garden for your rental property. Hi, my name's Beck. A few changes to the functionality of the outdoor space at your rental property may be all you need to keep it low maintenance and looking beautiful year-round, and your tenants will thank you. Let's get into it. Consider the size of your backyard and how much money you want to spend. Set a budget and then sketch out 3 to 5 different layout plans to make it easier to decide which one you're going to go with. If you've got existing pavers, consider reusing them or upcycling them as a crazy path or a stepping stone in your new design. Or you may be able to repot plants or reuse existing pots into the new design. To ensure your rental property isn't polarising, try to stick to neutral colour tones and low maintenance plants, and consider using paving, decking or artificial turf instead of real grass. Ideally, try to create a space that appeals to most people. This allows tenants the freedom to bring in their own plants, furniture, barbecues, kids' toys, anything they need to personalise their own space. When selecting your plants, try to choose plants that are fairly self-sufficient and don't require regular watering. For flowering gardens, perennials are the perfect choice because they typically last more than 2 years and flower annually. Low maintenance plants like this magnolia are perfect for rental properties because they require very little attention or care. They're often more drought resistant, requiring less water, so ideal for locations that have very little water access or water restrictions. Succulents also use minimal to no water and don't discard foliage throughout the year. Laying down weed barriers and mulching can be effective ways to prevent weed growth and assist in water retention in your garden. By incorporating shade, using an umbrella, by planting a tree or putting up a shade cloth, you can protect your tenants and their guests from the excessive heat and sunlight. If planting a tree, consider using an evergreen variety. They stay green all year round and don't drop as many leaves, saving you time cleaning your gutters and drains. Although grass areas are great for kids and pets, they also require regular maintenance such as mowing and watering. Consider alternatives like decking or pavers or artificial turf, or even ground covers like this dichondra to keep your area looking tidy 24/7. And there you have it, some easy tips on how to get a beautiful low maintenance garden at your rental property. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.